Assalamu alaikum class 2. Today we are here with the same chapter number 2, that is called Parts of Computer. So let's see what we have left in this chapter. In this chapter we have to do objectives. So open up your book. Your objective page is in the book, page number 20. See question number 2, write T for true and F for false statement. I'm reading the parts A, B, C, D, so you have to mark either it is true or false. Write just capital T for true and capital F for false statement. Okay, come to the statements. Statement A, the CPU controls all the parts of a computer except for the input devices. As we all know that the CPU controls overall all the parts of computer, either they are input devices or output devices. So a statement over here it becomes false. Okay, because CPU also controls input devices and overall computer system. Come to the statement number B. Speakers can be used to listen to music without disturbing others. As we all know that we use speakers in parties for uh, for any reason. If we don't want to disturb other and want to listen music, we use headphones. So statement over here, because speakers are disturbing for others. Okay, next, statement number C, a CD can store more data than a DVD. In the previous topics, we have discussed that the CD has less memory than DVD. So statement over here becomes false again. Okay. The last statement, a USB can be easily carried in your pocket. In the last topic of memory devices, we have studied or discussed about the USBs. USBs are small memory devices that can be easily carried in your pocket. They have a smaller size and they came in different memory capacities. Okay, the statement over here becomes true. On to the same page number 20, third question, choose the correct option. Which one is true about the CPU? Mark the statement or circle the statement that is true from the four given statements. Okay, I'm reading the one A. Which one is the true about the CPU? Number one, its full form is Central Processing Unit. That's true. It is the brain of computer. That's also true. It controls all the other parts of the computer. That's also true. So we have to circle only one statement. So we will circle all of these, the fourth statement. Okay. Come to the B. Which one is an input device? Input devices are those that gives data to the computer. I'm reading. Number 1, printer. Number 2, speaker. Number 3, microphone. Number 4, headphones. Okay. So printer, speaker, these are both output devices, but microphone over here is used for sound input. Okay. And headphone is also an output device. Okay. So we will mark microphone. Come to the C. Oh, come to the C. Which of the following is not used to store data? Means that which one of the devices is not a data storage device? CD, DVD, USB or UPS. Okay, we all know that UPS is a device that is used to charge the computer. Okay, and keeps that computer charged for a few times. Okay, now D, which one is called a pointing device? What are which device is called a pointing device? When we move it, it shows a pointer or arrow onto the screen. We all know that the only device that shows a pointer onto the screen, that pointing device is called mouse. Okay. Over here I have colored these options for you. So move to the page number 22. There is a worksheet number 1. It is the combination of the two chapters. Okay. I'm reading the first question. Search for two input and two output devices in the grid below. You have to search these spellings. I have already colored these spellings for you. Keyboard. Where is the spelling of the keyboard? Over here. Keyboard is an input device. Okay. Second, mouse. Mouse is over there. See this? Printer. Printer is an output device and it is given over the second line. Headphones. Headphones spelling is given on the bottom of the grid. Okay. Mark or color or use the same color. You want to color the boxes, you can color it, or you want to circle the box, you can circle it. It's up to your choice. Worksheet number 2, second question, who am I? Okay, I am used to store data and can be easily be carried out in a pocket. We have already discussed previously that which memory device is used, because data storage, this device is used to store data. I'm used to store data, that means it is a memory device and can be easily carried in your pocket, means that it has a smaller size. The memory device that is smaller in size and is called USB. Okay. Number B, I am used to take a printout. They are actually talking about the device that is used to take printouts. We take out printouts from printer. Okay. I am used to record sound. Which device is used to record sounds? We use microphones to record sound. Okay. I control all the other parts of a computer, means that this part of computer is also called the brain of computer. It controls all the other parts of computer. So which part is it? It is called CPU. Last one, E. I am an input device. I am also known as pointing device. It's very easy. The pointing device is also called mouse. Okay. Question number 4 of the worksheet. Neha has drawn the figures of some devices. Okay. Neha is a girl. She is drawing some figures of some devices and label them. Check if she has labeled all of them correctly. Put a tick for the correct labels and a cross for the wrong ones in the boxes below. Here are the pictures A, B, C, D. These are the 4 pictures of the 4 devices, but Neha has labeled, means given, label means names. Neha has some of the devices Neha has labeled correctly, means that she has written a correct names for them, or if maybe some of the devices she has labeled incorrectly, means she has written wrong names of them. Number A, device. As you can see this is a device that is used to take printouts. Okay, the device that is used to take printout is called a printer, but Neha has given it a name of CPU, or Neha has labeled it as CPU. So that's wrong. So what we will do, we will make a cross in the box. Okay, like this. B, the device shown in the B, and Neha has written speakers. Yes, these are speakers. So put a tick into the box. Okay, Neha has given a right name to the device. C, what is this device? It has a list of disks inside and enclosed in a rectangular box. We have studied this device in the memory devices. This is called hard disk. Hard disk of computer, and Neha has given it a name or a label as USB. Is this a USB? No, it's not. It is a hard disk. Come to the D. D is a device and Neha has labeled it monitor. Yes, this is a monitor. This time Neha has labeled this correctly. Okay. Now we have another question beneath this question, that write correct labels here. The cross you have marked for those devices uh, to which Neha has spelled or labeled incorrectly, you have to write the correct names of them. Okay. A. In A, the device name Neha has given CPU. So what is the name of this device? Given in picture A, it is printer. Okay, write in your book. Second picture, this time she is correct. So write in B, speakers. Okay, she is right. C. C. Neha has marked or labeled as USB. This is not a USB, it is hard disk. Okay. D. She has labeled correctly, and you will write monitor. Okay. That's all for today. I hope you understand my topic of today. You have to complete all your objectives in your book, and thank you for watching this. Allah Hafiz.